Today I will fly with you to the Otzberg Castle. You will see it took me 3 attempts. Welcome to Thailand Lifestyle. I'm Odin alone today, as Nann was denied a visa to travel to Germany. Make the best out of your day, every day. The first idea was rising out of a grain field.
If you are new to the channel, subscribe to stay in touch and turn on notification.
To subscribe is free, but you will be able to find us again easy in this huge YouTube jungle. But soon I realized that the Otzberg was too far and still out of reach. The second idea was rising out of a cornfield. This actually worked, but I forgot press record. Therefore, I had no footage when I came back to land. I flew again, but just did the takeoff only. West Otzberg is under renovation, and this side is completely under scaffolding. The footage would have been ugly. Therefore, I decided to fly from the opposite side, which looks great if you don't circle and don't come too near. Castle Otzberg raises 367 meters above sea level and was probably built in the late 12th, early 13th century. At the time, Abbot Marquard I of Fulda secured the abbey estates and built castles that were visible from far away as sign of his influence. Since then, the Otzberg changed hands during the wars frequently. The Bergfried, locally known as the Weiße Rübe, White Beet, is the oldest building in the castle. On days with good visibility, visitors can see the whole district of Darmstadt-Dieburg and as far as the city of Frankfurt and the Taunus hills from the top of the 17-meter high keep. Please give us your like. Sind wir gestern irgendwo in der Nähe von Rheinheim geflogen? If you want to stay with us, click on one of these thumbnails. Thank you for watching, and not forget to click like and to subscribe. I hope to see you in the next video.
Yes, click now.
Ja, das reicht.